So have it guys, for a long time I've been hearing people warning others about their privacy, and also for a long time I've been seeing people using only one password for every website they use. Privacy, I don't have anything to hide, so what's the matter? I was one of them too until today. What if one seed get hacked? Everything else will also be vulnerable, supposedly. And there is a saying online, if you are not paying for a product, then you are the product. And by that I mean your data. If you're not managing your data privacy and security, then you might be found at parties. Think about the amount of free productivity apps you have on your smartphone provided by X services, X companies that are also mainly using advertisement as main income. Imagine a typical day online. You start by checking your texts and emails, then you go through the list of social media apps you have installed. You go out and you post some pictures on Instagram, tagging the restaurant you are in, and at lunch you check showtimes for a movie that a friend recommended on Facebook, and you looked up price on new shows. That's a joke. We only check prices for new computers with tons of RGB here. That's only a few websites, but every time you're online, you leave behind traces of your activity. Now, imagine you're leaving these traces since the first day of your online life. And these traces are what make you traceable by those third-party companies that can track your activities and collect your data as you move through the web. Later in the day, you may be seeing recommended tweets about that movie, web ads and game ads for those shoes, and suggestions for coffee to try. It's not a coincidence. It's data tracking at work, and it's working on tracking your browser, apps and emails. But keep in mind, later down the road, not all data collection is bad. Websites often save your data to better personalize and improve your experience with them. You may want to give your location for a search engine to provide you results that are better tailored to your needs. And what about internet security? You get one password set up, you're good to go, right? Sadly, no. The thing is, I'm not a privacy expert. I'm just a guy like you who's searching how to protect the minimum he can. And because of that, I'll upload two more videos. One, how to protect your privacy, and a second, how to secure your account online. So make sure to subscribe to be notified anytime I post these videos. I'm your Kensley and this is Keep Insider. I will see you in the next video. Peace.